Some of you may wonder how to download videos from YouTube using a computer browser. I'm just gonna show you that in a minute. So let's get started. Open up any browser in your computer and open YouTube. Search for your video which you wanna download. And up here you will find the URL link of the video. Type SS before the YouTube and after www and hit enter. This will take you in this page, and here you will find the video and every format available of this video. Click here and you'll find the download option. Click the download and there you have it. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing soon.